Table salt versus Himalayan pink salt. Why do people need to drink water with electrolytes? Regular table salt contains mostly sodium chloride, which is the compound responsible for its salty taste. In addition to sodium chloride, most table salt is iodized, which means that iodine has been added. This is done to help prevent iodine deficiency, which can lead to thyroid problems like goiter. Iodized salt is a common dietary source of iodine. Regular table salt may contain very small amounts of other minerals, but these minerals are usually removed during the refining process. This is why table salt is usually purer sodium chloride than salts like Himalayan pink salt, which retain more naturally occurring trace minerals. Compared to natural salts like sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, regular table salt is highly refined, removing most of its impurities and trace minerals. The addition of iodine and anti-caking agents distinguishes it from less processed salts. The Himalayas produce salt, the most famous of which is Himalayan pink salt. This salt is produced in the Kura salt mine in the Punjab region of Pakistan, which is part of the Himalayan mountain range. This salt is pink in color because it contains trace minerals like iron, magnesium, and calcium. It is often marketed as gourmet salt or health salt. In some cases, people need to drink water with electrolytes to help maintain the proper balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body, which is essential for many physiological functions. Here are some reasons why electrolytes are important. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and chloride help regulate the balance of fluids inside and outside of cells. When you lose electrolytes through sweat, urine, or illness, drinking water with electrolytes can help restore this balance and stay properly hydrated. Electrolytes are essential for nerve signaling and muscle contraction. For example, potassium and sodium play key roles in the electrical impulses that allow nerves to communicate and muscles to contract. An imbalance can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and even more serious problems like heart rhythm disorders. During high-intensity exercise, especially in hot or humid environments, you lose a lot of water and electrolytes through sweat. Simply drinking plain water may not be enough because it can dilute the remaining electrolytes in the body, causing an imbalance. Fortified electrolyte drinks can help replace these lost minerals. If you have an illness that causes vomiting, diarrhea, or fever, your body may lose fluids and electrolytes quickly. Drinking water that contains electrolytes can help rehydrate and restore electrolyte balance. Adding a small amount of Himalayan pink salt to water can naturally provide some electrolytes. Himalayan pink salt contains trace minerals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential electrolytes that help regulate various body functions, including hydration, muscle function, and nerve signaling. When you dissolve Himalayan pink salt in water, these minerals are released into the water, which can help replenish electrolytes, especially if you sweat or lose electrolytes for other reasons. However, the amount of electrolytes contained in a pinch of pink salt is relatively low compared to dedicated electrolyte supplements or sports drinks. While adding pink salt to water is an easy way to increase your electrolyte intake, it is important to add it in moderation. Excessive intake of salt, even Himalayan pink salt, can lead to high sodium levels, which can increase your risk of high blood pressure and other health problems. For the average person in daily life, plain water is usually enough to stay hydrated. In specific situations involving high-intensity physical exertion or illness, electrolyte drinks are more important.